In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Prioritize Focus Over Speed on your Android mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so in order to do this, we need to go ahead and download an app called Camera Assistance, and this is only available on Android devices. So to get this, you need to go to your Galaxy store. You need to search for Camera Assistance. Here it is here. So click in the Camera Assistance. From there, go ahead and download and install this. I've already done this. So click on the install button here. Once that downloads and install, go ahead and open it up. And now you'll be brought to Camera Assistance. Now to enable this feature, scroll down and here it is here. Prioritize Focus Over Speed. So what this does, it waits for the camera to finish focusing before triggering the shutter. This may delay the shutter slightly, so if you would like to enable this, go ahead and click on enable.